What is a writ of possession? Have you ever wondered what happens when a tenant refuses to leave a property after an eviction? This is where a writ of possession comes into play. A writ of possession is a legal document issued by a court that allows a property owner or landlord to regain possession of their property. This typically occurs after the landlord has successfully gone through the eviction process. The main purpose of a writ of possession is to enforce a court order that favors the landlord. Before this document is issued, the landlord must take several steps. First, they must provide the tenant with a notice to vacate. This notice outlines the reason for eviction, such as non-payment of rent, and gives the tenant a specific period to either resolve the issue or leave the property. If the tenant does not comply with the notice, the landlord can file an eviction lawsuit. The court will then hear the case and make a ruling. If the court decides in favor of the landlord, a writ of possession is issued. This document instructs law enforcement officials, like sheriffs or constables, to remove the tenant from the property. Once the writ is issued, law enforcement will serve it to the tenant. They will ensure that the tenant vacates the property. If the tenant still refuses to leave, law enforcement has the authority to forcibly remove them. This process is essential for landlords to regain control of their properties when tenants do not meet their obligations. For real estate investors, understanding the writ of possession is important for effective property management. It helps maintain cash flow and property value by preventing unauthorized occupation. Knowing the specific eviction laws in different states is also vital. Each state may have its own procedures and timelines for issuing a writ of possession. In summary, a writ of possession is a key part of the eviction process. It provides landlords with the legal authority to reclaim their properties when tenants refuse to comply with eviction orders. Understanding this process can help real estate investors navigate the legal system and protect their investments.